This question was asked in, I think, IIT 2001. I think that year it has been asked. Try this question. Try this question. See, it is telling that cannot represent this. See, magnetic field, it forms closed loop. Okay, magnetic field forms closed loop. Induced current forms closed loop. We have studied. It forms closed loop. Gravitational field never forms closed loop. Never forms closed loop. Closed loop. And this also it is not electromagnetic. I think it is written wrong. It should be electrostatic field. Electrostatic field. Electrostatic field. This also not forms closed loop. Not forms closed loop. So for this question, it is saying which cannot represent this one. It is a closed loop. You see here, closed loop. That means answer should be B and D. These both never forms closed loop, so it can't represent both of them, B and D. Okay, our answer will be B and D. They never forms closed loop. Only closed loop is formed by magnetic field and induced electric field. Okay, having any problem? Just remember, these are important facts.